How many calories does an apple have? It depends on when you eat it. Before a meal, an apple can effectively have negative 200 calories. You see the same thing giving people vegetable soup as a first course. Hundreds of calories disappear. One study that tracked people's intake throughout the day even found that overweight subjects randomized to pre-lunch vegetable soup not only ate less lunch, but deducted an extra bonus 100 calories at dinner too, a whole 7 hours later. So the next time you sit down to a healthy soup, you can imagine calories being veritably sucked from your system with every spoonful. Even just drinking 2 cups of water immediately before a meal causes people to eat about 20% less. No wonder why overweight men and women randomized to 2 cups of water before each meal lost weight 44% faster. 2 cups of water before each meal, 44% faster weight loss, but no one's going to put an ad on TV for tap water. But that's why so-called negative calorie preloading is on my list of weight loss boosters, things that can accelerate weight loss regardless of what you eat the rest of the time.